Hello, my darlings. How are you? How are we? Are we living? Are we loving? I've been invited to the film premiere here in London, Woman King with Viola Davis. I'm so excited. So I've just done my makeup. Let me just show you what a mess it is here. And this is not what I'm wearing. I'm going to show you what I'm wearing. But I have to show up at Adrian's school like this. I have to go and pick him up. And then Ula is going to give him dinner, have his bath, while I sneak out. So I just wanted to give you a close-up of what we're doing. I usually do a nice smoky eye. I'm not doing a lash. Nude lip, and that's it. Do we love? Do we live? This is a vlog. We haven't done a vlog in a while. I'm going to turn it around so you can see everything. Okay? Yeah, and I'll show you my dress too. And here you have it. This is the reality of what it looks like in my studio when I have made a mess and I am going to go out. This is what it really looks like. I love this huge mirror because I can see everything. Can you see me? Hi. And yeah, this is like a dress. It's huge now because I've lost so much weight, but I'm going to wear this to go and pick up Adrian. I'm taking my socks because it's always cold in the theaters. Yep. In the cinemas, sorry. It's always cold in the cinemas. And then these are my glasses because I'm kind of sort of blind. I'm short-sighted, so I can't see far away. And yeah, and then these are wipes. These are fantastic. These are lens wipes. Remember I talked about this? So I'm just going to take this, going to take some tissue because this is stuff I'm going to pack with me. You know, I'm going to pack more. But anyway, this, my darlings, is where the magic is happening. These are all the jewelry pieces. I'm not sure what I'm taking with me. I put a poll up onto Instagram stories. You guys have to follow me on Instagram. And I said whether I should take the pink or the black Chanel because it's got that beautiful detail right there. And you guys said, Fumi, my darling, absolutely take the pink. Prada heels because it's got a bit of a platform. It's fabulous on the red carpet. It's a bit cold, so I'm going to wear that beautiful blue. So I think, yes, I think I will take the pink bag and make it all luscious. So I'm gonna pick up Adrian. Let me go downstairs now. If he doesn't see me, he's gonna be like, Mommy, where were you? Pedicures. My eye is watering today. I poked it with my finger, so my lash won't stay. I didn't hair myself. I put bows on each side. I thought this looked super cute. Yeah, this will work. Hello, darlings. How are you? So we're in the taxi. I went with the pink bag. So we're driving to the event now. And I'm so happy because I did everything in time. Yeah, picked up Paduski. And very excited to watch Woman King. And, we got seatbelt on because we have to be safe. And it's not cold. It really is not cold. So yes, my darlings, I will see you at the event. Hello, my darlings. Look at Lalique. Lalique is adorable. I'm going to snatch her up. She is so adorable. She's a Fumi Nation member. We're here at Woman King. I don't know, I'm going to turn it over for you so you guys can see where the premiere. But here is Lalique. She is fantastic. I know it's dark in here. And a fantastic jewelry designer. I'm going to bring her onto the show. She's going to come to my house. Yeah. And we're going to talk about jewelry because you know how much I love jewelry. Everything is happening very quickly. The evening is unfolding fabulously. There are so many other influencers here as well. But Lalique is my new best friend. So we are living it up. Just wanted to say hi. Because it's a vlog. I'm supposed to be vlogging, but we're talking so much. All of my love, my darlings. Mwah, mwah.
To this very special screening. This very special screen event of The Woman King. My name is Kanya King, and I'm the founder and CEO of the Mobo Group. I'm not in the film, although I am a warrior and a woman named King, but not the Woman King you've come to see. So I must admit, we have hosted so many screenings. And you know how when people RSVP to you saying they're going to come and they don't turn up? But it looks like everyone turned up for this film. That's the power of the Woman King. So this story is inspired by true events that happened in the Kingdom of Dahomey, one of the most powerful states of Africa in the 18th and 19th centuries. Now we're really, really proud to have with us two of the stars of the film and the director. Please welcome to the stage Lashana Lynch, Sheila Atim, and Gina Prince-Bythewood. Welcome. What a reaction. What amazing response. We've got three formidable women on this stage. I feel like we always have to give a standing ovation. Always say a word when you give a standing ovation to you ladies. I'm bowing to you all. Thank you. So I guess I'm gonna start with you two ladies. I'm gonna ask you a couple of questions, if that's all right. So tell me about your reaction when you first read the script. Did you know about the story? Who wants to start?
I didn't know enough about the story. I'd heard some things here and there as a child, but was, of course, as we all know, was not educated on them at school. And when I read the script, it was an education for me. It landed in my soul very quickly, and it felt like something I needed to do. And I was just really grateful to be an adult in a time when this film, or a film like this, is being made. It was a very, very easy decision to make. Yeah.
I've heard about it being made. I heard that this film was being made with Viola Davis and Thuso and Gina, and then Gina asked me to audition, and I was like, yeah. And then showed me the part, and I was like, yeah.
How much research did you need to do in your roles?
A ton. I mean, we had Gina and the team who were very researched anyway, but on my part, everything was on the page. My character and all of the characters were very realised on the page, which can be quite rare actually. Not add too much. It felt like I could just step in and just be a creative on set, which is nice. A lot of my research came through training. A lot of our research came through training, embodying the character, finding their voice, finding their stance, where they speak from, where they're rooted in. The training was immense.
I heard about this training. In fact, I heard Gina, you were part of this training.
Yeah.
I know it was really important to me that they did all their own fighting and stunts, not only to embody these characters and these real women, because they really did it, but also I find it's a great way into character and also really help bond in terms of the sisterhood, because they call it trauma bonding. I call it
Yes.
call it work. But it was, what they did is extraordinary, and I could point into this, but it shows up on screen. It's pretty great.
So tell us about the historical and cultural significance of the film. I mean, what made you decide to direct this?
I mean, it starts with, it's a story that I didn't know about. It's a story that so many of us don't know about. Characters, real people that we don't know about. And what was beautiful about this film was to be able to reframe so many things that are wrong, that people think about Africa, think about this kingdom. We had tremendous researchers, and probably the biggest part was being able to finally separate the false history that's out there that was told by the oppressor, as opposed to our researchers who were from Benin, ancestors of these women of this kingdom, and be able to tell the truth, which is what you're going to see up here.
Is it true that you were editing the film still a couple of weeks before the premiere? Is that true?
Yeah, you should never do that. In fact, I think everything about this film was different, but it didn't matter. We were going to get this done no matter what. We were that passionate about it. It's that important, and we're just really proud of the work.
I'm so proud as well. Is there any message you want the kind of audience to take away after watching the film? Is there any message?
Lashana and Sheila?
Sheila and Gina. There's so much. I feel like literally your life's about to be changed from watching this film. And I don't just say that because we're proud of the work, but there's just so much richness within the story, the narratives, everyone's narrative, the characters, just the richness of the continent within this film, how we've captured it, seeing ourselves beautifully, both strong and vulnerable simultaneously. There's just so much, there's so much education to be had for us, but also to be had for the world, so we could continue having these conversations that start with a film and kind of end in the cinema, you know, so hopefully this one is one that starts in the cinema and reverberates throughout the world.
Did you have a favourite scene? Tell us. Did you have a favourite scene that you enjoyed shooting?
Favourite scene? Oh, we haven't seen it. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, tell us that story.
It's so hard. The stunts are immense in this film, and we had the honour of being able to do them ourselves completely. And every single time we're on set doing those, at like 3 a.m. trying to find a new move, and we're barefoot and the rocks are trying to shoot through through our feet, and just madness happening. But in the midst of all of that, we just finding such beauty and naturalism and power and being empowered by the characters. And again, we're shooting on the continent, so it's just a different experience overall.
I heard that when you applied to get into film school, you initially rejected. Can you share with us that story? Because this says so much about your drive and determination to make things happen.
Yeah, honestly, it was a horrid experience, but I think it set the tone for my career, which is overcoming no. So, yeah, when I got to UCLA, I went there because I wanted to go to their film school, so gave up my basketball career to go there, and I just assumed I would get in, and I applied, and I didn't. And they literally send you a piece of paper that has rejected stamped on it. It was a horrible night. Cried, then went back to the counselor and told him I wanted to appeal the decision, and he said that you're not allowed to do that. So went home, had one more cry, and then just wrote this impassioned letter to the head of the film school, a woman named Ruth Schwartz, telling them why they made a mistake. And 2 days later, I got a call from her that said, "We got your letter and you're in."
That's pretty powerful. That's really powerful. I mean, gosh. So thank you very much. Well, thank you.